until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Williamsburg or near Northampton, moving east at 25 miles
Let's
per
see
hour.
what we can get.
Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Amherst, Northampton, Orange, Deerfield, Belchertown, Athol, Ware, Barry, Hadley, Sunderland, Hatfield, Hardwick, Williamsburg, Huntington, Conway, Leverett, Shutesbury, Phillipston, West Hampton, and Waverly.
What? I'm not sure I heard it fully, but I think I might have gotten it. So, yeah, that was a surprise.
New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Saddle Rock, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The Marine Forecast. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 8:30 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northeast of Baxter Estates to 13 nautical miles northeast of Saddle Rock to 17 nautical miles northeast of Barnum Island, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.